Alrighty. What up, ladies and gentlemen? So I've opened up a prop firm account with Breakout Prop Trading. It's a crypto prop firm. There's no max payout caps, and you can pass. There's no minimum trading days or anything, so it's pretty cool. So I wanted to try them out. So what we're looking at now, I got a 5K account with Breakout, and what we're looking at now is a AIXBT. It's a meme coin trade. So we're doing a meme coin trade. I'm just going to run through the analysis. So what I want to start doing is every day I'm going to jump on and I'm going to post my analysis on a trade. And then after the trade's played out, whether it takes a day, 2 days or whatever, I'll upload the second video and go over the review. So this will be the first video analyzing the trade, put it on, and then when we get the result, then we'll come back in and we'll whatever. So for tonight's analysis, this is what we're looking at. AIXBT. Don't know anything about the coin. Not trading enough fundamentals at all. We're going purely off chart data. So, like I did in the previous forex analysis, we're doing the same thing. We're just going to do a top down from the daily. So the daily, I'm going to mark out the highest point, the last highest point on the daily. Just some rough figures. So that's the highest point. Last previous swing low, we're talking down here. So we still haven't broken to either side. We're still in an overall downtrend. It's trending down, lower high, lower high, lower low. So this is telling me we're most likely going to be pushing down below this zone, chasing another lower low. So this is the daily. Let's just mark out some... Spread this out. We'll get some diagonal, just trend, like overall trend zones, I guess. Trend line, I guess what you'd call them. Cut straight through here. So I don't really like cutting price. Cutting through price. Cutting through price means chopping through. But if we look at this, I guarantee if we go in this, we'll see. So see how price has bounced off this? High, low, high, low, high, low. But then see how it's choppy around here? This is on the daily chart. And then a candle breaks through, comes retest strongly. So now, look at this, zoomed into the 4 hour. What do we see here? Price has tested, rejected that support, boom, through, comes up, retest, bounced off. Now we're coming back for a second retest. So now we're on the 4 hour. I like this diagonal trend line. I do like it. We also have a fair value gap here. Bushka. Bang. We've got that too. So we've got that fair value gap. Price tapped into, came off. Mixed with this diagonal trend line. We've got this overall. This is the daily, the previous daily high, like the highest, most recent point. Now coming back up into this fair value gap area. So that's 4 hour. Fair value gap. Come down. It's coming up. So I can imagine price will probably chop up into this zone up here. I don't want to miss my entry, and I don't know if it will go back up to these heights. Because let's have a look. So see here how we have this zone here. Where price, there we go. This looks like an order block on the 1 hour. There, come through, price tap. Yep, tap, boom, bang, bang, straight through there. So that's our strong zone. So this has strong zone. So I'm going to say price is going to swing up back into this. And then it's going to pump down. So it's going to be pumping down. So we're going to be chasing a 3 to 1. I'm going to have my stop loss just above here. My entry zone. I just don't want the trade to break down before it enters me in. I would rather get tapped. Yeah, I'd like to get tapped into the trade. I don't want to miss out on it. So let's see. That's a 3.5 to 1. Uh, 2 to 1 trade. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this trade here. So let's put this on. We can go deeper into the smaller time frames. Well, really, actually, might chuck a conditional order on, because if it breaks that zone, have the top of this fair value gap 0.5, 1 to 1, standard 1 to 1 trade. I believe that is a safe trade. That's better, because that way, if it takes off, it can't take off without me. Whereas if I had the previous limit order on that I was just about to set, and price took off without me, I would be incredibly salty. What are the two? What's stop loss? 360. Yoza. So we're going for a 1 to 1 trade. I'm gonna risk. I'm gonna put $100 risk on. $107 risk. $107 risk. $107 reward. Trigger sell. There you go. So this is the trade I've put on. This is purely for, this is not financial advice, this is purely my own trading journal of sorts, like documentation. I would not advise taking any trades that I take as I use my own money, and like nothing is for sure. Like, no one knows which way the markets are going to go. This is my best probable trade based off of my guesstimations from my analysis of years of experience in the market. And like I said, I'm going to post every night. I'm going to post an analysis of a trade, and then after the trade's played out, I'll post a result. And we'll just do that every day, and we'll just start. We'll try different trades, different strategies. I'll document it all, and we'll just throw it on my channel. And I'll set up playlists. So this could be the first video in the analysis playlist, and then I'll do challenge playlists. I'll do like lifestyle videos, things like that. But I just thought it would be pretty cool if I just document a lot of the trades I take too, and especially now with this prop firm. So just document my way to my first payout. So I just got this account. $5,000 account. My profit target I have to hit is $450, so I have to hit $450 profit. Then I am eligible for payouts. So hopefully we can document me getting through this evaluation into the payouts, document the first payout, and we'll see how we go. And I'll just post the trades that I take for this, all just for educational purposes, and just help you guys understand my psychology and my thought process that goes into my trades and what I look for. But like I said, don't even know what this meme coin is, and there's no fundamental elements behind my trading, or just technical analysis. And everyone's different. Everyone trades different. A lot of people won't like the way I trade or do things, but it works for me, so that's the way we're going to do it. But for now, AIXBT, we're going short. Our trigger price is at 0.02853. And we're going for a 1 to 1 with $100 risk, $100 reward. So, I'll catch you guys when this plays out. Peace.